Okay, for this section, we'll be talking about a unique function in our EXModel Pro under surfacing, which is the flatten surface function. What it does is actually creates a 2D sketch of the selected surface by unfolding the shape. So it's possible to flatten a certain 3D surface into a 2D sketch of the contour. So this could be useful, for example, if you want to design the shape of the sticker on a bottle like this. In this case, the sticker itself, when it's applied, is actually a curved surface. However, when it was manufactured, it's just a 2D shape. So how would you do it? Of course, we start from 3D sketch to get the contour of the shape. Like this. You can also add some blend curve. Might need to combine these two a little bit. Use a blend curve here as well, maybe. Okay. So now we have the rough contour. Next thing is to fill the surface. You can select the edge chain, select everything. Now there's another thing we can do is click on Unscan Data. This will actually project our contour onto the mesh itself, and it will reconstruct the surface directly from the mesh. So you see that it's now actually different from the contour itself. It's totally on the mesh. Okay, now I can hide the sketch. Select our surface, hide the mesh as well. And here on the surface, choose flatten. What it does is the software will construct a purely 2D pattern onto the XOY plane based on the shape of this 3D surface. Now if you double click it, here you can actually export this 2D sketch, and you can select what kind of format you want. You can do it in IGS, or you can do it in DXF. We also provide two different regulations. And it's also possible to transfer to SolidWorks directly if you have SolidWorks already installed. In our case, I believe in most cases, if you want to cut or if you want to print it out, DXF should be a good choice. Then you can just directly export as a DXF file.